did I choose Quizlet and not Anki, for example, which is another great tool for creating your own flashcards? I have chosen Quizlet because it has different benefits for your learning process. The first of them is the variety. You can use seven study modes that can help you study the content that you want, in this case, vocabulary. You can have your study set of flashcards and you can learn them by practicing your short and long term memory. You can also use the writing version, in which you have the term in a language and then you have to write down what will be the translation in the other language you're learning. You can also have the spelling mode, the test mode, the matching mode, and the gravity mode, in which you have to select all the different words that are within a small space, and you have to click on the ones that are matching as soon as possible. And another thing that I also enjoy is the teamwork. You can use Quizlet individually, but you can also create teams so they can compete together to see who can um, guess correctly all the vocabulary that you have learned in a lesson, for example. And another thing that I also enjoy is that you can use Quizlet inside the class, but it can also encourage students to revise the material because it's an easy and convenient way to prepare for a test. In my case, I use Quizlet for vocabulary, not only as a teacher but also as a learner, but you can use it maybe to memorize certain grammatical structures so that you can remember. How would you say, for example, the first conditional in English? It doesn't necessarily have to be just for vocabulary, but it can also be for other contents. And it does not only work for preparing for a test or revising the material, but it can also help you gain more vocabulary because you can maybe create other study sessions in Quizlet that you can use with the whole class of topics that they want to learn the vocabulary of. For example, let's say that we all like drama series, so we want to create a study set with drama vocabulary in English and Spanish, so we can have a talk about that specific topic. So it can be to gain vocabulary in all senses of what it means to gain vocabulary.